Hi guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. As you can see down below, we are going to, wait for it, Disney! And I'm packing up my stuff, so I thought I'd do a fun video with you just so you can see how I packed for Disney and all the stuff that I packed. And I'm probably just going to show you my fitness stuff that I packed because I will be trying to work out. My plan is to work out every day while I'm down there and to share some of those workouts with you. And of course, we're going to vlog our park day. And while you're already looking down below and seeing the title, why don't you go ahead and click subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you can get notified so you can see all the videos that I post while we're away. And while you're watching this, we're already on our way there or already there. So, hope you enjoyed this video because I'm going to try to, my plan is to post every week for you guys. And here's the video for this week, and you will be so excited to see the rest of the videos, all the Disney videos that will be coming out, fitness videos and beauty videos that I plan for you guys coming out soon. And thank you to all my wonderful subscribers who continue to subscribe and watch all my wonderful videos. So, I got my shirt on. Here's Hakuna Matata, so I'm all themed out. Got Timon there sitting next to me. So let's get started, and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that I packed. Some of my fitness stuff that I packed. They're all Disney related, of course. So I pretty much did some Disney workout outfits that I packed in my bag. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So, as you all know, the worst part of traveling is the packing. And of course, I have to pack for everybody. No fun for me. Me, myself, and I. Pack for me, myself, and I, plus my 2 toddlers, and of course my husband too. So, yeah, so it's a little bit stressful, but it's gonna be fun because it doesn't matter, because once you get to their destination, you forget all about the packing part and you just have fun. So here's what I packed. I packed it in one of my little travel cubes, and I just literally put all my fitness stuff into one. So this is my little fitness one. And as you can see here to the left, I have my bands because I'm going to try to work out every day. I know they'll probably have a workout place or somewhere where I can work out because we're staying at the Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa, and I'm sure they have a fitness center. But I like packing these because I can work out anywhere with these. You can work out in your room, you know, on the beach, wherever you go. You can take these with you and always get a quick workout in. They come in light, medium, light, medium, and strong. So the medium is green, strong is blue, light is purple. And these are great because I'm trying to work on my gluteus maximus. And these are great for those with great workouts. You can also use them on your arms. You can do a great resistance workout just putting these on your arms and just kind of like doing like that. This just works great. You can feel it kind of burning already, biceps and your shoulders and stuff like that. So you can just do some easy workouts with these, and I love them, and they're flat and they're easy to travel with. So that's the first thing I packed. They're going in the bag. Of course, I have some sports bras in here. You know, I just showed you these in my recent haul. Go check that out if you haven't seen it, my Victoria's Secret haul. I show you that one. And, you know, my Victoria's Secret one I wear, and the Stars one. So if you want to see that haul, check that out. So then I packed all my fitness clothes. And how I like to do it is I just roll up outfits together. So for this one, I have it's just an Ariel t-shirt, a Little Mermaid t-shirt with some shorts. So that kind of goes well together. So I kind of paired that together. And like I said, I like to just put my stuff together and just roll it up. So then you can just grab it and you have your outfit right there. The next one I packed is an Aladdin t-shirt, and I got this one from Five Below. It was $5. So I got this Aladdin t-shirt, and then I just paired it with some purple Reebok biker shorts. So that's an outfit, another fitness outfit right there. So I just kind of packed those together. The Ariel shirt, if you want to know, I thrifted it. Yeah, I mean, that's a smart thing to do. If you want to get cheap Disney shirts, like, look, you go thrifting if you are not shy to do that, like I'm not. And I know Five Below had some cute Disney ones out. I mean, Walmart, I mean, Target, like Disney is really hot and popping right now. Forever 21 has a lot of them. So it wasn't hard for me to find shirts. Hot Topic, so just to name a few places if you are planning to go soon. The next one I paired was a Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse shirt is red. And it's gonna go with some black shorts, so I kind of put that together. And that's a fitness option. And once again, I just roll them together. Like that. Donezo. And then the next one is another Minnie Mouse shirt with some matching shorts with the Minnie Mouse on them. And these are that brand, oh, what is it? Sophie brand. Yeah, those little the cheerleading short brand. I remember wearing these back in the day when I was a cheerleader. I love these. And I remember last time I went to Disney on my honeymoon, I was wearing some Sophie shorts back then because they're just so comfortable and they're not very expensive and they last a long time. And I actually still have those shorts that I wore the last time I went with my husband, and they still fit, so that's pretty cool. So I paired those two together. I thought that would be cute and comfy to work out in. And then lastly, I have this pairing. So I went ahead and packed at least one pair of leggings, but these are the crop leggings. So I packed these, and then I just packed this shirt that says Pinja again with Nala and Simba. And I got this shirt from Hot Topic, and that other the other two mini shirts, they both were thrifted. Okay, yeah. So you can save a lot of money if you want to on your fitness clothes. If you want to do a themed fitness, haul, kind of like I did, you can get them for the cheap. Like I said, this one came from Hot Topic. Actually, the Hot Topic at the outlets, I got that one, and I just paired it with a cute pair of cropped leggings. So that is all the fitness stuff that I packed. I'm just gonna put them all back in my bag so they fit nicely back in there. And I have one more t-shirt. This is just an extra shirt. Once again, this is thrifted, and this one says Best Dressed Guest. So it has Belle and everything on it. So I'm going to be continuing to pack up for that. That's mainly what I packed just for fitness. It's just a short little fitness, what I packed for Disney haul. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below and click the bell so you can get notified, so you can see all the videos that we're posting while we're down there, because it's going to be great vibes, great time. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.